Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video run through of our Mercedes-Benz V220d Marco Polo we have new in stock. I'm just going to run you through some of the more important features you get with this Marco Polo. To begin with, on the exterior you've got privacy glass, you've got the standard diamond turned alloy wheels. You can see all of these are in excellent condition, not a mark on either of the four alloys. Some chrome trim throughout the exterior. You've got the extended roof section, which lifts through the controls in the center console. This moves up to create room to sleep two adults. You've also got the room in the center of the car, if you fold the seats down, to sleep another two adults, so you can passenger 4 and sleep 4. You've got access to a kitchen sink. You've got 2 hobs for cooking all of your meals, a refrigerator for storing your food. You've got a multitude of different cupboards available, a slide out table which folds up. You've also got some storage in the back. You've got the picnic table and chairs which came with this V220d, brand new. They've not been used, they still have the backrests attached to the seats. You've got the external shower port here at the rear as well. You've also got the external plug-in port as well as the cap for the water tank. In the front you've got your leather-wrapped multi-function steering wheel, leather seating. You've got access to cruise control, heated front seats. You've got the controls for the roof in the lower half of the center console, your infotainment controls here, with the availability to open the rear side door at the push of a button. You've also got your climate control functions. And you do have a reversing camera handy as well on the center screen. If you'd like any more information or would like to book a test drive or a viewing on this V220d Marco Polo Sport, please contact one of our sales team through the number at the end or inquire through our website.